Welcome back to Aunt B's Kitchen. And today, guys, this is what we will be doing, a spaghetti bake. So, would you please follow along with me as we complete this recipe? Okay guys, while our noodles are in the pot over there getting ready, I have 2 pounds of ground beef here. I'm also going to add in this pot 16 ounces of Italian sausage. Then we will add our seasoning. So I got ground beef and Italian sausage in here. Now you know the Italian sausage is seasoned, so we're going to be light on that salt, guys. But I'm going to put in here oregano and probably about teaspoon oregano, a couple of teaspoons of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder for now, which you can always add later, and also seasoning salt. And like I say, you can always add later. You don't want to put too much in the beginning and then it's too seasoned, like too salty or peppery or whatever. Not going to add the black pepper yet. I'll add it in a little bit. So in this bowl we have 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And now we're going to add in here 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese and as much parsley as you would like. And then we're going to dump our spaghetti in here. Checking back on our meat, and so now at this point I'm going to add a little pepper in here, probably about a teaspoon. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic. Alright, and now we're going to drain this meat. Getting ready to get this sauce together now. So now we're going to add in here, I have a small bell pepper and a medium bell pepper, I'm sorry, and a small onion. I'm also going to add in here this time some mushrooms, and I use canned mushrooms, 6 ounces. This is optional, guys. You don't have to put this in here if you don't want to. It's just optional. I like it. So now I'm going to add my sauce. Any kind of sauce you guys like. Okay, I'm using Italian sausage and garlic, or whatever you guys like. I'm putting only one 23-ounce can in there for now, and I think this may be enough. I don't want it too soupy. Okay, everything is done, guys. I did taste it, so I'm putting a little more Italian seasoning in mine and oregano. And this is because that's what I like, but you can put as much as you guys like. I'm also going to put a little more garlic powder and a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, guys? And once I get this combined in here for a little bit, nicely through here, I'm going to meet you guys over at the countertop. Let's put this little spaghetti bake together. Whatever type of cheese you guys like, you can put in here. This is Colby and Monterey Jack. Excuse my hand, but sometimes that's what has to be done in the kitchen to make stuff act right. That's why you keep your hands clean. And we're going to top it back off with more cheese, guys. Place it in the oven, 350 degrees, until your cheese melts to the desired consistency that you like. Everything is done. It don't have to go in the oven if you don't want to. You can put a little foil over it and just let it steam, or get that nice color on top. And like I said, as much or less cheese. If you're lactose intolerant, then do what I do. Put some off to the side. Alright guys, I'm placing this in the oven. I'll be back in 20 minutes. And now we have the finished product. Look at that cheese. The finished product. Spaghetti bake with a little garlic bread. So listen, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. May you have peace and have a nice day.